Hey guys, welcome back to Bioinformatics, Computational Biology, Python. I just recorded a whole video with my mic off. I bought this microphone. First of all, because it's cool. Like you can see, I like kind of cool techie stuff with my setup here. But as you can see here on the video, I bought this microphone. It's got this wonderful feature where if it's not on, it's not red. It's this close to my face, literally. And so I record a nice long video, not realizing that I have no audio. So I'm a little perturbed. And when I get perturbed, I get kind of goofy, admittedly. Okay, so what we're going to do in this video is we're going to set up our stuff for our Python analyses. We're going to get the data from data carpentry, and we're going to unzip it and put it in the right location, and that's it. So it's a short video, so that's why I'm not so mad that my audio was off last time. Yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right on into it. So we're going to jump right into the terminal here. And we're going to go to our My Files. So if you're already in My Files, good to go. Otherwise, remember it's desktop, classroom, My Files. And then if you ls, it doesn't look like this. I think this is part of the big confusion, but you should have some stuff from earlier in the course in here. If you have your R, if you did the R courses with me, you probably have a whole bunch of R stuff in there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to make a directory. So we're going to make you might know them as folders. So we're going to make one of those. So we're going to call it SWC, so Software Carpentry, Python. And then we're going to move into that folder. So what I'm going to do quick, I'm going to remove all those and then remake it, because from my muted video, all that stuff already existed. So, all right, we're going to make, if you already did this, just bear with me. I'm going to remake it. Okay, SWC Python. Now if I do ls, first of all, I'm going to move into the folder. Then if I do ls, you can see that there's nothing in it, right? I'll do that one more time. So this is where you should be. You should be in this directory that's up here that says CW or SWC Python, and there should be nothing in there. That's the perfect spot. Things are just going off the rails today. My last video I was yawning like crazy because I was so tired. My brain's still catching up today. Okay, so now what are we doing? Now we're going to download those the Software Carpentry code and the Software Carpentry data. So first things first is we're going to do wget http // I'll make this a little bit bigger so you don't, that's too big. Well, right here. SWC ARPENTRY. So SW Carpentry .github.io/Python novice inflammation /data /Python /novice /inflammation, not sinflammation, inflammation /data.zip. And I've spelt something wrong. If you get this 404 error, which means you spelled something wrong, likely. swcarpentry.github.io/Python /novice /inflammation /data /Python. Notice that I've made a mistake. Dead joke. All right. There we go. So if you get this like completion bar like this, then you're in a good spot. All right. So now to get the other piece, the other code, we're going to just hit up on the D-pad. Or on the D-pad. Like I'm playing video games. Up the up arrow. And change the words data in this. So the first one is the folder between the two slashes. So change the word data to code. And then the second one is right before the .zip. I'm going to change that to code. We're going to hit enter again. Okay, so now if we hit ls in the folder that we're in, you should see we should have Python novice inflammation code.zip and Python novice inflammation data.zip. So now the last thing that we're going to do is we are going to unzip these files. So we're going to unzip Python. I can hit tab and it'll complete almost everything, but it will stop the autocomplete when it gets to, okay, I don't know if he wants data or code. So we'll do, you can pick whatever one you want. We'll do data first and I'll hit tab again. Boom. Unzipped. Now I'm gonna do unzip and I'm gonna do Python and I'm gonna do, what did I do last time? I did data. So I'm gonna do code. And there we go. We got all of our Python scripts. So now if I hit ls, you can see that we have two blue folders. So red is always the zip files, blue is the folders. We have a folder for code and we have a folder for data. All right, so let's do this. All right, so we're back where we started. If you want to get to that folder, all you have to do is cd desktop, classroom, my files, swc. That's it. And if I do ls, we're in our working directory of where we want to be. So that is it for today. 7 minutes, minus my intros and all the stuff that you end up seeing. So we have all of the data. Oh my gosh, no, I'm just going off the rails, picking black screens. We have the data. It's in the folder that we created. It is unzipped and ready to go. All that is left to do now is Python. So in the next video, we're gonna do a refresher first because we did when we introduced Praxis, we did some terminal and a little bit of Python notebook to kind of get you familiar with the Praxis setup. And then we got back into terminal pretty heavy. And now, before we jump into Python heavy, we're going to do, I think, kind of a refresher, and then we'll get in a Python refresher, so we will be in Python. And then we'll get into some of this inflammation data. So that's what I got for you. I hope you like the video. Hit like, hit subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. It really does help me get these videos out there. And I'm trying to build something here. I might have some exciting news coming up eventually. It is a work in progress. But hitting like and hitting subscribe, especially like. I get a lot of subscribers. I don't get very many likes. So if you're watching this, please hit like. Like a lot of my videos hit like 1 like or 0. Anyways, that's my rant. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video.